Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I am back with another Temu nail supplies haul. All of the products I show in this video will also be linked in the description box below, and I do have an affiliate code with Temu, so if you do end up buying something from Temu, if you would like to, you can use my affiliate code or link, which will be in the description box below. In this haul, I am going to be showing you, of course, a whole bunch of different nail art supplies, and I will also be showing 6 different polygels I got from Temu as well. And then at the end of the video, I will be organizing a whole bunch of different nail charms I got from Temu into a nail organization box that I got from Temu as well. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, make sure to stay tuned. So the first thing I am going to be showing you are these cute little nail charms. They are starfish and seashells in a variety of different colors, and the starfish are like kind of sparkly and they are just so pretty. The next thing I got are these cat eye, aka velvet press-on nails. They are just so stunning. I cannot stop looking at them. I always see cat eye nails on like Instagram or YouTube, and I always think they just look so cool, but I have never had cat eye nails or done cat eye nails myself. I am giving these press-on nails to someone else, but these nails definitely made me want to do cat eye nails even more, so I will definitely be doing cat eye nails in the future. They come with 24 nails, and just like most other press-on nails you can get from Temu, it also comes with sticky tabs and a file. Next, I got a little bottle to store acetone or alcohol or just really whatever you want, and I mainly got this just because I was tired of accidentally spilling acetone on the table whenever I try to pour it into my dapping dish. So with this bottle, you just have to take your cotton ball or a lint-free wipe or whatever you want to use, and then you just push down at the top and then acetone will come out, and no more worries about spilling acetone everywhere. Next, I got a sheet of embossed flower stickers, and there's also a few letters or words on there like cute and flower, which I don't think I'll use, but I'm definitely going to use the flower stickers because they are just so cute. I cannot wait to use them. If you're in a bit of a hurry or you just don't feel like doing nail art, I feel like stickers are always nice to have, and I want to grow my sticker collection. I don't really have that many nail stickers, and I always find cute ones on Temu. So I do have silver, copper, and gold nail foils already, but I do not have the colorful nail foils like the purple, blue, and red, so that is why I got this. And I just always love using nail foils. There's a lot of different nail art things you can do with it, and I've just always been looking for like colorful nail foils like these, so I'm glad I finally got them. The next item I got from Temu isn't really nail related, but I got this ring, and I kind of consider it nail related just because I got this ring mainly for nail photos. For the price, I think it looks really nice. It is super pretty, and I don't really have any rings like this, so I'm really glad that I got this ring. Here we have some stencil sticker sheets, so I'm sure you can use these as just regular stickers if you want to, but what they are made for is I think you just put them on your nail, and then you can either paint over the design or, like use pigment powder or anything like that, and then you take the sticker off and then it leaves the print on your nail. I've never had anything like this before, and I thought it would be super cool to try. I believe there are 12 sheets, and then within those sheets there are 6 stickers and then 3 different designs on each sheet. I know they are holographic and super shiny, so they might be a little hard to see on camera, but there are so many different designs like fish scales, animal prints, zigzags, checkered, and just a whole bunch of different designs. The next thing I got is this nail drill bit, and I got this one because I wanted something that I could use to easily and quickly remove gel products. And I've just been using like a sanding band, which you can use to remove gel, but it just takes a while. So I am trying this out, and honestly, I'm kind of scared to use it because it is pretty sharp, but I will be very careful, of course, and we will see how it goes. This is the last item before I'm going to show you all of the polygel I got from Temu, and this is just an organization box I got for nail charms. Like I said at the beginning of this video, I will be organizing a bunch of nail charms that I got from Temu into this organization box at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. These are the 6 polygels I picked out from Temu, and I have never ever done polygel before, so this is my very first time doing polygel. These swatches are my very first time, so it's not going to be like the best ever. But at least I get some practice before doing my actual nail set with this polygel. And speaking of my next nail set, I will be posting as soon as possible after this video, a video of me doing a nail set using Temu polygel and other Temu products. But anyways, this first polygel I am swatching is actually a thermal polygel, so it changes colors based on the temperature. So after I swatch it, I will show you what it looks like when it's warm and what it looks like when it's cold. So I ran it over cold water and warm water. So this is what it looks like when it's cold, and then this is what it looks like when it is warm. This second polygel I am swatching is a sparkly lavender, and I think it's probably one of my favorites out of the 6. So for this next one, I actually ordered a bright purple glow-in-the-dark polygel, but they sent me this instead. I don't know if it was just a mistake or they didn't have that polygel and they like substituted it or something. But it is just a nude color, and unfortunately it is not glow in the dark, but I'm sure in the future I will get some glow in the dark polygel. I think this sparkly red one is my other favorite out of the 6 that I got, but it is really hard to choose because they are all so pretty. And finally, the last polygel is a sparkly light blue, but unfortunately this one is leaking at the bottom of the tube, so I won't really be able to use this one, but I will still swatch it. I actually just threw away that polygel and the swatch just because I knew I wouldn't really be able to use it that easily. So here are all of the swatches except for the blue one, because I did throw that away without thinking that I was gonna film a clip like this. Comment down below which one was your favorite polygel that I swatched in this video. So I gathered up all of the nail charms I got from Temu that were still in a bag and not like an actual container, and I am going to put all of these into the organization container that I showed earlier in the haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. I will hopefully be posting the Temu Polygel video maybe on Wednesday or Thursday of this week, so stay tuned for that, and have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.